Yeah. Oh,
Thank
Hi,
you,
Sada.
brother.
How are you?
hi, Sarah. I'm good, alhamdulillah. Looks like
Mhm.
today's last day officially with the dark, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so hopefully like everything goes smooth. And thanks, Ahmad. Thanks for your your time and appreciate like giving me this final see off interaction thing, alhamdulillah. Okay.
Thank you so
Let me come
much.
to the agenda. No, worries. Let me come to the agenda directly because I have to move a little bit faster. Like, I have to go outside. Okay. So today, basically, I wanted to talk about two projects. One is the SAJCO, one is we have. So what I'll start with Madkour. Okay, so then I'll move to SAJCO. Okay, starting with Madkour, I think as you all aware that ORC and OLC they already went live. Okay, and in between they shared some for OLC they shared some custom alerts which I have already completed and have already moved to production. Okay, so there's no any further communication from them. So I think it is going smooth. There's no any issue at all. Okay,
You mean OLC? It's already on production, right?
OLC.
Yes. Okay.
So
Please
the first,
proceed.
yeah, OLC first.
What is OIC? What is OIC?
Oracle
Oracle
Learning
Learning
Cloud.
Cloud.
Oracle Learning Cloud already went live. Okay, and like last month they shared some custom alerts to be created. I have already created, and then I shared for testing, which is now available with the team. They completed testing and they asked me to move to production. So I have moved to production also. Okay, that is for the OLC and ORC also they went live. Okay, and they come up with some open points. Okay, for the ORC also, those points also have completed and I've already released it. I think that is also gone, but except one point. Okay, for the ORC which I have not completed. The one which I want to talk about is just let me share my screen for a minute.
Okay.
Can you see my screen? Let me know if you can see my screen. Okay.
Okay. Now we can see it.
Okay.
It's visible now.
Yeah. OLC is already live, and last month they shared custom alerts to be created, and I have completed and moved to production. Okay, so there's no pending for OLC. Okay, now coming back to ORC, it is also already gone live. Okay, and last month they shared some open points. I have completed all of them except one. Okay, which is moving open job requisition to Oracle Recruiting Cloud career site. Okay, so right, I think the current system they might have used some the job requisition, right? Those job requisition they wanted us to create in Oracle Recruiting Cloud and then post it in the Oracle Cloud career site. Okay, this is one thing which I have not done it yet actually, because it is we have to use HDL to create the current the open positions, and then we have to move to the career site.
Okay, they created those requisition or not? They created on the ORC or not?
Not
It's open.
It is in the existing the previous site maybe. Okay, and those things they have shared with me. So which they were asking me to do it in the Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay, so I told them this is not okay. Let me show you this. This is the job requisition report. Okay, this is what they have asked me to move to ORC. Not this one. Sorry. I think that list is with Ahmad, if I'm not wrong. So you can get that report from Ahmad. Okay, so those open job requisition we have to move to in ORC Recruiting Cloud. Okay, that is the only thing from my.
Move it to ORC or the career side directly. They asked you to move it.
Okay, first of all, we need to create the job requisition, right?
Okay.
In ORC. Okay, then we need to post. Okay, so these two things you need to do it. First, you need to create the job requisition for the positions whatever they had open in their existing system. Okay, those we need to move to ORC. Okay, and then for those job requisitions we need to post in the Oracle Recruiting Cloud career site. Right, so these two steps you need to do it parallelly. So that
so excuse me, let me ask you this: the career site, is it the one the standard one on the system, or do they have another one integrated with the system?
That's correct. I think if I'm not wrong, let me quickly show you that. So just give me one, right? This is the project, okay, for Madkour instance.
I think the password is Mustafa.
That is for test instance. Production they have changed it. I don't know.
They changed it on production. Okay.
Yeah, I think they changed it. Earlier it was M. But I don't know. It's not working. Okay. Anyway, you can get it from this one. But anyway, let me share you in the test instance how it was. This is the test instance, right? Yeah.
The credentials, Ahmed Adil, you have the credentials, right, for production and Madkour production, right?
Oh, you think yes? Let me check.
Yeah. Okay, I'll just quickly explain you. Okay, so they were using some custom Madkour career site earlier. Okay, in this they have published some, right? Maybe I don't know the count. Maybe maybe you can say example 20 to 25 job requisition. Okay, this 20 to 25 job requisition we need to create first in Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay, in ORC. Okay, after you create the job requisition, you can post those job requisition in the career site. Okay, so this one thing alone we have to do it in production. Okay, so rest of the points they have shared, which I've already completed, and Ahmed also aware of this. The one which they're asking me to move, that will take some time because we have to use HDL to load it. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
So you can see this is the career site, right? So they have this career site in production also. So first you need to create the. Let me just show you that which one is the one. Yeah, this one. So this is the career site. Okay, so this is the career site. Before that, what I want you to do is what I was explaining. They have almost say this is the job. Okay, sorry, okay. So here first you need to create all the job requisition, whatever it is moved. We are moving from their existing career site to Oracle Recruiting Cloud. But you can create those job requisition, and then on those job requisition you need to publish in the career site. This is where once you publish it, those job requisition will show up here. Okay, and this is the first one. Okay, and third, if suppose applied. So those candidates first you need to load them, and those candidates must have attached it to the specific requisition, and you need to change their status also, phases, whether they were in first phase or whether they were in first second phase, or whatever it is. You need to change the status this one also, phase also. Okay, so this is the 4 tasks actually you need to do it as part of the migration from their existing career site to Oracle Recruiting Cloud.
Okay, you didn't do this because you don't have time, or you didn't have time, or it's you had obstacles doing this if you have an issue or something.
Not really, because I was working parallelly for other model. Okay, so that's the reason I did not touch. Because the first point was for me, so this is like migration from their existing open position to Oracle Recording Cloud. It was coming later stage actually, because it was came from Mr. Mustafa. Okay, but whatever their open point, whatever they have asked for, actually, I've completed. Okay, there's no any issues like that. Okay.
Okay, but we can't locate the sheet that contains the open
Yes.
requisition. Can you share it, please?
I think Ahmad already has it actually. If I also find it, because I don't have the access to my email, so I think Mr. Ahmad can share it also. Okay. So my email ID also been not it's not working. I've already conveyed this to Ahmad.
احمد الشيت الاكسل ده مش موجود في الايميل اللي انت بعته الخاص بالار سي.
طيب ده هبعته لك ده عشان نشوف.
يعني معاك اوكي مفيش مشكله. تمام اوكي.
Yeah, I think let me just say that. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so I'm just forwarding this to Ahmad once again to his WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you.
The open hiring request. Okay, this is the only one which is pending. Okay, so this is by this ORC is completely done. Okay, so now coming to the third point, talent management. Okay, so which is like you have a goal management and the performance management. This is the one which I was working till last week. Okay, so which I wanted to hand it over to you. So they have a very complex requirement. Okay, just to give you the background, they have very complex requirement. Okay, just to give you the background. So first of all, they wanted to position what we call a model profile. Okay, so which I think I can share this two of these documents. Let me go back.
Okay, please, and please study. We need also the RD11s related for all modules.
It is already with Ahmad, so he can share it. I already shared the user manuals, the RD11s, and then what do you call the descripts. Okay, everything is already.
Because Ahmad, data collection sheet, please.
He has it actually. Okay, so there is no any data collection sheet, but I have this one which I'm going to share it across. Okay, so let me just share this. Okay, so yeah, okay, fine. So this is the one which is they have shared with me the latest Excel file. Okay, and it's better to explain you rather you see the data collection sheet. Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
I have almost a 6 category actually. Okay, so for example, you can see this is the technical category 1. Okay, which those technical category they have almost 6 categories. Okay, technical senior, technical team leader. Okay, and fresh and coordinator, and the 4th category is supervisor. 5th category is example managers, and 6th category is actually data developer. Okay, so there are 6 categories. We have to create a performance template, and each category template, this is how for 100%. Okay.
They have goals and competencies, right?
Yes, they have goals and competencies. Okay, so the goal section is for 70%, and for competencies they have 2 different competencies. One is the core competencies, and second one is the technical competencies. Okay, so likewise, if you see here for each category, it is split. For second category, we have goals, core competencies, leadership competencies, and technical competencies. Okay, the similar way for the third competencies, say 3 sections. For 5th category, we have again 4 sections, and finally we have a 6th category for 3 sections. Okay. So this
the performance here on which phase? On production or test?
No, it is still in the test instance. Okay, so we have not moved to production, so it is still in the testing phase. Okay, which you have to take it out. Okay, so.
Okay, continue please. We need to know what's the work that you have done related to performance on test instance.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so you can see screen. Okay, see this is if I just say go back to the performance. Okay, if I move to my performance template, right, and you can just focus on this, which I have created like this. You can see here. I have created as like 3/4 quarters. Okay, the first is second quarter, third quarter, and final quarter. Okay, in this also I have split it like this, which is example headquarter and non-headquarter. Okay, likewise I have created 2 categories. Okay, so this is how I have just split it like this. So if I go back to this one, this is how you can see it. Okay, so let me just go with the first quarter. You can see here first quarter headquarter. Headquarter. So we have almost 6 categories, right? So this is how you can see the category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5, category 6. Okay. Not HQ, again you'll have a 6 category. Okay, so likewise I have splitted all the performance documents.
In each category contains goals and competencies, right?
That's correct. Yes, that's why I showed you, right? This Excel file will give you a background that what it has. So this Excel file has this, for example. So each category will split into 2 different. One is headquarter and non-headquarter.
And you use the position profile
yes.
to add the competencies, right?
That's correct. Okay, and still I wanted to give you the background. They have still positions profile. Okay, so the positions model profile. So you need to get it from a person called Zayed. Okay, so he's in charge for this performance. Zayed, okay, his name is Zayed. So you can get this information from Ahmad.
Okay. And you didn't create it on the profile, the position profile. It's still pending, right?
That's correct. That's still pending. Okay, so I can show you one sample what I did in the position profile. So let me just go to the profiles. Okay, so you can see me, right? This is all the positions profile which I have tested actually. Okay, let me open one. Maybe I can check. Junior business development. Okay, so if I open this, so this is you have the position profile name. Okay, and the position is stuck to that. And if
the screen is stuck, it's not moving. عمر عمر مركز معانا صح في النقط دي؟
ايه معاك يا باشمهندس.
يعني عشان هتشتغلوا انتوا وساره بعد كده فايه انا بحاول بس اريز البوينتس عشان ما تبقاش في حاجه ميسنج على قد ما اقدر.
هو كل الان كلام عن التست لسه على البرودكشن.
عن التست وهو بيورينا العمل
بس احنا we're gonna need the design, the RD11 documents, and check it with the system so we can see if there are any questions would be raised later. That's the thing, because it's all right. High level. Okay.
The RD11 please Sadiq, and the data collection sheets if you have it.
So the data collection sheet is this is what actually they have shared, Husam. Okay, so they have not provided anything with it. Okay, so it was fine tuning. Finally, they gave me this information. Okay.
Not just for the performance. I mean for all projects modules, SAJCO and MADKOUR for all the.
See, for SAJCO is just SAJCO bit. Okay, so
Your voice is breaking. Sorry, come again, please.
For SAJCO, it is just a support product. There is no any data collection sheet. Okay, if they have issues, they send an email to me. They ask me to fix it, which I used to do. Okay, so there's no anything. But for Madkour, so for ORC and OS, it's already live. Okay, so but I've already shared RD11, test scripts, everything I've shared to Ahmad. He has it, even including the performance management also. Okay.
Okay, after this session today, we will review all the documents and we will mention to Ahmed if we need anything else, and he can share with you. And okay, we'll review the documents, Sarah, after this session meeting. And if you have anything missing, we can ask Ahmed.
Yes, I needed also to point out in SAJCO there are loans and autocomplete functionality, not only the payroll that we're talking about. So
we will come
documents. Yeah,
we will come to SAJCO after Madkour. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. So profile information from Zaid on the latest package. Okay, so that one thing you need to load them for all the positions. Okay, because this
we can see your screen is not visible for us.
Okay, I think maybe I have to share you the Zoom edit. Okay, because I don't know if there's a problem with the team.
Okay, close the share and open it.
So I tried. Let me just go.
Okay, take your time.
I'll share you the Zoom. Okay, I'm putting it in the chat. Okay, so you can switch to the right. Okay, because I think I put it in the chat. You can join the Zoom.
The Zoom, but we are recording here. Yani, we need the recording.
I know you can record even in the Zoom also. I'll make you the host. So you can record.
اوكي صراحه بفكرين ناخد النوت باد اللي كان بيكتب فيها في الاخر، خليه يبعتها يعني.
اوكي طيب ماشي
يلا هنروح زوم يا احمد يا عادل. يلا يا عمر.
يلا.
اوكي
السلام عليكم. عليكم السلام.